भवान् भगवतो नित्यम् सम्मतः सानुगस्यः यस्य ज्ञानोपदेशाय आदिशद् भगवान् व्रजन् भवान् भगवतो नित्यम् सम्मतः सानुगस्यः यस्य ज्ञानोपदेशाय आदिशद् भगवान् व्रजन् भवान् भगवतो नित्यम् सम्मतः सानुगस्यः यस्य ज्ञानोपदेशाय
आदिशब्द भगवान व्रजन
भवान् भगवतो नित्यम् भवान् भगवतो नित्यम् सम्मतः सानुगस्यः यस्य ज्ञानोपदेशाय आदिशद् भगवान् भवान् भगवतो नित्यम् सम्मतः सानुगस्यः यस्य ज्ञानोपदेशाय आदिशद् भगवान् Bhavan, your good self, Bhagavataha, of the personality of Godhead, Nityam, eternal, Sammataha, recognized, Sa Anugasya, one of the associates, Ha, a being, Yasya, for whom, Jnana, knowledge, Upadeshaya, for instructing, Ma, unto me, Adishat, so ordered, Bhagavan, the personality of God, Vrajan, by returning to his abode. Your good self is one of the eternal assets of Supreme Personality Godhead, for whose sake the Lord, while going back to his abode, left instructions with me. Your good self is one of the eternal associates of the Supreme Personality Godhead, for whose sake the Lord, while going back to his abode, left instructions with me. Hare Krishna, Poonam Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Yamraj, the great controller of life after death, decides the living entities' destinies in their. He is the most confident. Such confidential posts are offered to great devotees of the Lord who are as good as his eternal associates in the spiritual sky. And because Vidura happened to be among them, the Lord, while returning to Vaikuntha, left instructions for Vidura with Maitreya Muni. Generally, the eternal associates of the Lord in the spiritual sky do not come to the material world. Sometimes they come, however, by the order of the Lord, not to hold any administrative post, but to associate with the Lord in person or to propagate the message of God in human society. Such empowered representatives are called Satyavesa Avtaras, or incarnation invested with transcendental power of attorney. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Om Jnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunavadi Ashata Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bhavan Bhagavato Nityam, Sammataha Sanugasyaha, Yasya Jnanopadeshaya, Madhishad Bhagavan Bhajan. Your good soul is one of the eternal associates of Supreme Personality Godhead, for whose sake the Lord, while going back to his abode, left instructions with me. So saying you are, this is Maitreya, is giving comment to Vidura. Even though he is giving him instructions, he is quite aware who is Vidura. Yesterday we read about the whole story of Mandavya Muni and how, by the Lord's arrangement, he came down in this world. And now Prabhupada is talking about the Devatas. Now Devatas have got an appointment letter from the Lord. They are very, very dear to the Lord. And they hold some administrative post in this world on behalf of the Lord. Just like a king, we have a lot of ministers to manage various affairs, which is delegate. So similarly, the Krishna also, Natasya karyam karadam cha vidyate, nothing to do. Prabhupada talks about a famous instance wherein one person came from Europe to India. When he came, after a very small time, he concluded Krishna is God. He was a stranger. So why? Every temple he went, the deity was doing something. Somebody is holding this weapon, somebody is holding that weapon. सब कुछ ना कुछ हथियार है, कुछ पकड़े हुए थे. कृष्ण के मंदिर के वो तो बांसुरी पकड़े थे. बोलते यही बॉस है ना? कुछ काम नहीं. सब लोग कुछ है, किसने ये पकड़ा है, किसी ने त्रिशूल पकड़ा है, किसी ने कुछ ये पकड़ा है, वो पकड़ा, सब काम में लगे हुए. अब वो फ्लूट लेके बैठे हुए, यही बॉस है, उसका तो कुछ काम नहीं. So in that way we can understand actually Krishna has nothing to do. Natasya karya, everything is delegates. And not only that, not only delegate, the people whom he delegates, they take it as a great honor and they fulfill the order with great care. Yasyagneya brahmati samrata kala chakro govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. The orders, Agneya, orders of the Lord are taken by all the devatas with great care and attention. They're doing their service on the order of Krishna. That is the position of the devatas. They get some specific order and some administration of the work they're doing on behalf of the Lord. The top devatas like Yamaraj, they're all pure devotees, but they're not one few devatas. They're crores, 33 crore devatas. Sometimes it becomes difficult to understand 33 crores. That many planets also have to be there now. Each devata has his own planet also. So just imagine how big is the universe. Anyway, so now each devata, the crores of devatas are there. The top devatas are pure devotees. But general definition of devata means sakama karma. He has some desire for opulence, some desire to lord, some desire to control. Even though they are in Sattva-guna, it's not Shuddha Sutta. There is slight desire for enjoyment. Therefore, they stay in the material world. They don't go back to the spiritual world. General Devata, Sakama, Sakama Bhaktas. And the top Devatas and the spiritual world, they are on Nishkama. They have no desire. They just want to please the Lord. There's no other desire in their heart. So Yamaraj, being one of the Mahajanas, belongs to that category. Swayambhu Narada Shambhu Kumara Kapila Munu Prahalado Janaka Bhishma Bali Vayasaki Vayam. So the top devatas, among them there are 12 Mahajana. Swayambhu, the Brahma, is the Mahajana. Narada Muni is the Mahajana. Shambhu, Lord Shiva, is the Mahajana. Kumara, the four sons of Brahma, Kumara. Kapila Muni, the incarnation of God. Manu, Swayambhu, Narada, Shambhu, Kumara, Kapila, Manu. Manu referring to Swayambhu, Manu. Prahlad Maharaj, Janak Maharaj, and Bhishma, and Bali Maharaj, Vayasaki. Vayasaki, the son of Vedavyasa, Shukadeva Goswami, and Vayam, he, Yamaraj. Yamaraj is giving this narration. So there are 12 Mahajanas. Among them, some of them are Devatas. So but they are Mahajanas, these people. They totally know the principles of religion, very clear. And they're very, very Mahajanas are very, very dear to the Lord. Now Prabhupada says something more interesting at the end. He said, how the pure devotees, eternal associates, they stay, Nitya Siddhas actually stay with the Lord in the spiritual world. And they generally come with the Lord's pastimes. It's like Krishna comes, the great associates of the Lord also come to relate to the Lord. Because Krishna wants to demonstrate how the life is meant. Nitya Siddhas. What the people watch, oh, so wonderful it is. So wonderful it is. The people watch, so much love, so much happiness is there in the beautiful pastimes of the Lord. So it's like a trailer. We get attracted to go and join this pastimes of the Lord. See, so much love there, so much happiness there. I'm simply missing. Why don't I go back to Krishna? So by different pastime which Krishna enacts in this world, not only Krishna removes the immediate some disturbance of demons and all, but that's not the main purpose. Main purpose is to show the love, that devotees have with the Lord, and everybody gets access to see this. Such a beautiful atmosphere is there. So beautiful. So people all get attracted. Why not I go back to Godhead and join Krishna in the wonderful pastimes? So this is generally the approach. So the Nitya Siddhas sometimes also come, Prabhupada says, to propagate his mission. Not only Nitya Siddhas come to participate in the pastimes of the Lord, they also come to propagate his mission. like Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was asked that how is it that you are preaching only all over India? How the preaching will go all around the world? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I am going to send my Senapati. So great associate of the Lord also come for the mission, just like an army. Suppose you are in the forward post, so reinforcements are always sent. What is said? Reinforcement is always sent. So we continue. Whatever we can do, we continue. And Krishna arranges to send wonderful devotees to take up the task and take it to this full glory, that task. And reinforcement, always Krishna will keep sending. It is his mission. Spreading Krishna consciousness is Krishna's mission. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted Prithviji Ato Acha Nagaradi Gram Sadata Prachare Morana. Every town and village in the name of Krishna will go. That's the prediction of Lord Chaitanya. Now, when we are doing a service in that accord, sometimes we may feel, I'm not manned properly, I do not have enough resources. Don't worry, it will be said. You are doing Krishna's work, why are you worried? You're not doing your work. When we are doing our work, then our resources and manpower, everything is limited because of our karma. So you want to construct a house of 20 crores. It just depends on your karma. It may come or may not come. आपका कर्म है, आएगा नहीं होगा, है ना? आप भी सोचे अंबानी जैसा घर बना दूंगा मैं बड़ा, ठीक है, आपका कर्म है तो उतना पैसा आएगा, कर्म नहीं तो नहीं आएगा. But when you want to make for Krishna, that is not the criteria. It is Krishna's work, not your work. So Krishna is not going to limit it by your karma. It is called unlimited resources. Correct? Suppose somebody wants to have some facilities for his own self, that will become limit because of his karma. But he wants to have some facilities for Krishna's pleasure, then the karma will not be a limitation. Krishna will see as much you can handle, Krishna will send. Krishna can send unlimited. He is unlimitedly rich, but then we will not be able to handle. We go crazy. So this is what it is. Somebody was asking Srila Prabhupada, Swamiji, can we show some miracle to me? So Prabhupada said, miracle? Okay, here is a miracle. He called his devotees on the stage. And they were introducing, they are from different parts of the world. Prabhupada said, this is my miracle. Instead of looking some, throwing some ash, honey, all those jokers, this is a real miracle actually, is to transform a person. Krishna Shakti Vinana Hoye Parivartana. And we cannot transform people to Krishna consciousness unless we are pure. So that is how Prabhupada showed the process of Krishna consciousness and in magic, a real magic. Now the pure devotees of the Lord, his Prabhupada says, come from two purposes: to associate with the Lord in person when the Lord comes, or there is or here, to propagate the message of the Lord in human society, because it's not ordinary. The extraordinary empowered personality gets a privilege to take leadership in spreading this Krishna consciousness. You see that Srila Prabhupada, his activity is extraordinary. It's like if you take a history, Madhvacharya has propagated Krishna consciousness in South India and some other parts of the world, but in his studies, Hanuman himself. Ramanujacharya also spread Krishna consciousness, and he again studied, he is Adishesha. So like that, if you study, all the big personalities were somebody who spread Krishna consciousness vigorously with great faith and great understanding, and they were empowered to do that. Similarly, when you see Prabhupada doing that, Bhaktivinoda Thakur doing that, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada doing that, we know they are special. Bhaktivinoda Thakur did save the whole mission of Lord Chaitanya, but he reveals that he is one of the Manjaris, Kamala Manjari. And similarly, the revelation of Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada also in his work, Prabhupada did not reveal. In fact, they asked Srila Prabhupada many times, can you tell who you are? Prabhupada said, he was silent. Sometimes Prabhupada started laughing. You will not believe. So you'll be shocked. So anyway, the point is this, that when pure devotees of the Lord come, they are actually called Shaktivesh avatars. Shaktivesh means empowered incarnation of the Lord. He is a jiva, but blessed by the Lord, empowered by the Lord. At least that is not a difficulty anybody to appreciate. Srila Prabhupada is blessed. Shakti. Shakti means Shakti of the Lord. Just like Narad Muni had Bhakti Shakti. He can give Bhakti to anybody. So anybody spreading vigorously Krishna consciousness is carrying with him the Shakti of the Lord to spread incarnation invested with transcendental power autonomy. They have been given. Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro. Krishna is yours. Krishna dite paro. You can give. Oh he Vaishnava Thakura, Doyare Sagara. So, oh Vaishnava Thakur, you are so merciful. You are so merciful. And it is you. You want, you can give Krishna to anybody. Please give Krishna to me. I am your helpless dog. It's like dog runs out after master. He's saying, please be merciful to me. Give me Krishna Bhakti. Okay? So this should be our appreciation, understanding. The great acharyas, they are our Shakti Avatars. In fact, Guru is also called in one sense Kripa Avatara, his mercy incarnation. Krishna is most merciful, but through Guru he shows the mercy. Actually, Krishna is most merciful, but that doesn't show it directly. Because why? Krishna takes great pleasure when his devotees are given more respect than him and they're given more attention. So he said, okay, I'll not. Actually, why Krishna needs, then he can directly teach. No? He's sitting in everybody's heart. He can directly come out and teach. No. He wants his devotees to be respected more than him. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu was playing the role of Acharya, Guru. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was about to kill Jagai and Madai. And Nityananda Prabhu begged him, don't do that. So Prabhupada said, see, who is more merciful? Nityananda Prabhu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is most merciful, but through Nityananda Prabhu, not directly. Directly is strict. But through Nityananda Prabhu becomes very, very merciful. That's it. So therefore, Krishna showed his mercy through the great acharyas. So these Shaktavesh avatars, when they come, they are respectable even for the Devatas. Even Devatas take note of. And they come for association because they appreciate their position. And those souls who come from the spiritual world to preach Krishna consciousness, they are worshipable even for the Devatas. And Devatas take note of his personality. And they also seek association because that is their target. Like Devarshi Narada, when he goes anywhere, all the Devatas take note. When they were about to planning to kill Prahlad Maharaj in the womb of his mother, Kayadu, Narad Muni came. What are you doing? No, we are not doing anything. We're just waiting. If the child is born, we'll kill him. He will be another Hiranyakashipu. He said, kill him. You cannot kill him. What? He is a great devotee of the Lord. Even if you want, you cannot kill him. We should not kill him, but even if you try to kill him, you will not be successful. Nobody can kill him. He is directly protected by the Lord. He is very great devotee of the Lord. This is Narad Muni's vision. And the moment Narad Muni said that, all the Devatas stood and they started circumambulating Kayadu, paid obeisances to Prahlad Maharaj, went away. So this Narad Muni, if you take like Shaktavesh Avatara, he has Bhakti Shakti. All the Devatas, they worship him. He's Deva Rishi. Isn't he Deva Rishi? He's a Devata, Rishi among the Devatas. So great devotees who come to the Lord from the spiritual world, actually nobody wants to come. Like in a jail, who are the Devatas? Devatas are the top prisoners, generally, except take Shiva out or Durga out. Leave to these two people. The rest of them are just prisoners. Well-behaved prisoner, that's Brahma, Indra, all the post. Correct? Well-behaved prisoner. Just like, why the government will invest money in a jail? It's waste of money. Already prison is a burden. जो जेल है वो ऑलरेडी सिर दर्द है गवर्नमेंट के लिए, इतना खर्चा बेमतलब का, ₹1 का फायदा नहीं, जो भी पैसा गया गया है ना, नॉट एट ऑल प्रोडक्टिव. सो गवर्नमेंट उधर 1000 एम्प्लॉय नहीं डालने वाली, क्या करेगी, उन्हीं में से इकट्ठे करते हैं. अरे ठीक है, तू चपाती डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर देना, तू खाना बना देना, उन्हीं में से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते हैं, है ना. They don't want to invest more money. So similarly, Krishna also, the devotees of spiritual Lord, they don't want to come down to the world. Who wants to come? Would you go to a dirty place which is stinking and कहीं जाएंगे आप, एक गंदी जगह है, वहाँ एक दूसरे लोग लड़ते रहते हैं, आप क्यों जाएंगे उधर, है ना. ऐसा कोई एरिया इलाका आप उसको अवॉइड करेंगे, दूसरी जगह जाएंगे, और गंदा जगह ऊपर से. Spiritual world इतना सुंदर है, it is so beautiful. Why will somebody come to the metal world? वहां से आएगा क्यों? What is the need to come? He's so happy with the Lord. Why come to a place where people are envious of the Lord? Why come to the place where people are uncivilized, rogues, thieves? Why? So Prabhupada says nobody wants to come from the spiritual world except on Krishna's order. So these souls become very rare and they call Nitya Siddhas. From very early childhood, they show extreme devotion to the Lord. That's an indication. See, no Nitya Siddha or so to say, I'm Nitya, he'll never say that. But at least we can appreciate this devotee right from early childhood. They show intense devotion to the Lord. At least we get an idea, they're special souls. Okay? And they are very dear even to the Devatas. Devatas also are very dear to such souls. They offer them all respect. And it is said, therefore, Guru means all the Devatas reside in the body of the Guru. A bona fide Guru, being blessed by a Guru, is in a unique service. And by worshipping him, we worship Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everybody. Any questions anybody has? No questions. No, they will be there. Hare Krishna, Karthik, what's your question?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Just wanted to remind you regarding that this thing, Prabhuji, after class over.
Oh, the posters. They're looking very beautiful. Don't worry.
We can take it for other languages, Prabhuji.
I don't know, we can. No, see what is happening now. My approach has been this, and the teachers are not getting it. I have 3 Facebook pages, not 1, 3. And just write to me, make you admin in one of them. Just start posting there. Start posting. Correct? We
In
understand.
Facebook, Prabhuji.
3 pages. Start posting directly. It's not that one. We can have multi advertisements for every language. Correct? Among them, which is organically going well, one of them I'll advertise. Otherwise, they can build their own audience. You got it?
No, Prabhuji, I didn't get.
Say in English. We put 6, 7 of them. And I'll be watching organic growth of all of them, which is anyway picking up, that I'll boost it. Correct? Good idea, no? That way everybody can make, and it will have organically itself a very good audience, each one of them. Okay, na?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Some change is needed now. We have been just using the same poster, changing dates for a long time.
Yes, Prabhuji. So I can do the same for other languages, Prabhuji. Same way.
Or any creativity get you do.
Yes, I have done already. Yes, Prabhuji.
I will just see that I make you admin there. You yourself keep posting, not without any hesitation. Okay?
Oh, thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Vrinda. Vanchak. Okay, some more questions are there. Yes. Sarita Mataji, yes, what's your question?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, in Bhagavatam class, like you were explaining where 4 Kumaras did not agree Brahma for progeniting. So then after that he gets angry and Rudras come out of him, right? 11 Rudras. Was it Shiva also is one of them, or he's different? Lord Shiva.
Says no, from the Rudra than Shiva. See what happens. Shiva has various aspects. Just like one is Shambhu, one is Rudra, many of them.
The question is, Prabhuji, because Shiva is not either Jivatma or the Vishnu Tattva fully, then but he comes from Brahma is a Jivatma, no? So that I got that out. Is it different?
Also take birth to Brahma as Varahadeva.
Okay.
Then you can't say if Krishna takes a son or mother, but actually he is the father of Devaki, not Devaki is not the mother. He is the father.
Okay.
Bija Prajapita. So Krishna is the supreme father, but he comes in the world. In that way, Lord Brahma also knows Shiva's special.
Prabhuji, and one more question. In Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaneti. So if we have to compare that to Krishna, means we know that analogy of sun sun's effulgence, sun disk and sun god himself. I mean sun planet. So if we have to connect to Krishna, then Krishna's effulgence and Paramatmeti is what? Kshirodakashayi Vishnu or what? Prabhuji? Paramatma.
Paramatma is Kshirodakashayi.
Kshirodakashayi. Okay. Okay, Prabhuji.
Bhagwan is Krishna having sweet pastime, the spiritual.
Yeah. Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Now people are growing nicely. Within 1 year, I am enjoying. Level 3, I'm just hearing presentations. Very good. I have to hold them. They go 1 hour. They're doing very, very nice. Hare Krishna, Puja Vrinda Mataji. Hare Krishna. You want to add something?
Yes, Hare Krishna Prabhu, that
Tell
Hare
me,
Krishna.
Mata. Yeah.
Yes,
What is
that Satya Vesha Avtaras which I explained, this big great acharyas like Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya, they are all empowered by the Lord, isn't it? They are all those avtaras.
Hanuman, somebody, something? Yes.
Yeah.
Madhvacharya.
Yes, big,
Madhvacharya Avatara. He is the Hanuman himself, no? Directly empowered.
yes. Okay. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Chalo, thank you everybody. My request, quickly, those who are hearing Bhagavatam in the morning, you're all wonderful people. Please increase your chanting as fast as possible, at least on a holiday. Find some time. Pray to the holy name, give me shelter. He'll definitely give you strength, mercy, and encouragement to chant more. There's so much service to be done. Hare Krishna. Vancha. And now, remember 2 things now. Janmashtami is coming on. Which date? End of next month. And 1 week before Balram Jayanti, we will do the Bhumi Puja. Okay, so lot of work now. Day-night work will be there. So all of you can participate. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarubhascha kripa sindhubhe evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnava namo namah.